The power of the media in the market. This is a very delicate topic that I wanted to discuss with you. Obviously, social media news have big influence. For example, if BBC News or Sky News or whatever country you're in, if they show some bad news, it can trigger your brain to sell. The truth is, what draws attention is what they show. So what draws attention is actually controversy, negativity, and all that stuff. So you won't see much positivity from the news. Analysts usually follow a trend also, so they tend to show bigger stocks. The most reliable ones are those working with big banks, such as Goldman Sachs, but you should not trust them all. The more people read something, the more money the media make. For example, let's say you're reading something about your health and you will read all that bullshit about you're dying, you have cancer, all that stuff. And why is that? Because what scares people draws the most. That's unfortunately the truth. Every website wants money to be competitive. So, yeah, they just want money, guys. So, they need to do that. It's not even their fault. It is becoming normal nowadays. So, I try to avoid all the stuff and I read news from Yahoo Finance, Seeking Alpha, which are the ones I love the most reliable ones. They don't show all negativity but also positive stuff, especially Seeking Alpha. So my considerations are that you should pay a lot of attention where you go in and just don't trust everything you read. You read a lot about recession and all that stuff, but they don't know if it actually happens.